Living in Cameroon will be an amazing adventure. It is a beautiful country to live in. But please consider that one of the most important factors in your preparation should be your international medical health insurance. Reason being is that medical care facilities for the day-to-day doctor visits and prescribed medication won't be any problem at all. But for major medical treatments, such as surgeries or in case of an accident, the majority of the expatriates prefer to be evacuated to South Africa, or maybe being even repatriated back to their home country. International medical insurance policies are generally set up in a so-called modular system. You purchase the compulsory inpatient policy first, which covers you for your hospitalization visits, or hospitalization treatment, better to say. You can then top it up with outpatient doctor visits and outpatient prescribed medication, maybe maternity if you would like to have a family, maybe even dental, but most importantly, emergency evacuation. Emergency evacuation allows you to receive medical treatment outside of your country of residence and having the transportation overseas covered by the insurance policy as well, which is quite important if you live in countries such as Cameroon. Emergency evacuation is not always a standard benefit that is included in the core scheme of your insurance. So make sure that when you purchase your insurance policy, you're very well aware of the benefits that are included, and also make sure that emergency evacuation is one of them. We understand in global insurance that finding the proper and the suitable insurance policy can be quite of an adventure. So please feel free to let us know and get in touch with us anytime if we can help you on finding a suitable medical insurance in your case.
If you live and work in Mozambique, then you're very lucky. It's a beautiful country. But it's very important to have a good health insurance plan. Pacific Prime is the world's largest distributor of international private medical insurance to individuals and SMEs. In fact, in 2013, we were awarded the Top Global Distributor Award from Bupa International and IHI Denmark. We don't just work with Bupa International, we in fact work with all international health insurance companies, and for most of them, we're one of their top 1, 2, 3 producers. So as you can see, we have tremendous understanding of the market. So how can we help you? Well, what we would normally do is spend some time talking to you to understand your needs. Health insurance is very complex. There are lots of different levels of cover and modules. So for example, we would help you understand what those different levels of cover are and which ones are important to you. Things we would normally talk about are things such as inpatient coverage, outpatient coverage, wellness coverage, optical, dental, maternity coverage, evacuation, repatriation, chronic condition coverage, coverage for pre-existing medical conditions, geographical zones of coverage, lifetime renewability. As you can see, it's a fairly extensive process, but helping you understand the coverage and what's important is the first step to getting the right coverage. Once we've done that, we would then go away and review the market. So that would be all the insurers you've probably heard of: Bupa, Allianz, Aetna, Cigna, AXA, DKV, Aviva. The list is very long. We would also consider insurers you've perhaps not heard of: Interglobal, Integra Global, William Russell, IMG, HTH. Once we've been through that process, we'll come back to you, and based on our understanding, we would then provide you a list of the right insurers and right plans to help you, and with our help, to actually identify the plan. So from that short list, we can talk about the different options and the different trade-offs between perhaps coverage and premiums, and help you get the right plan. As you can see, we believe that if you spend 5 minutes talking to us, you're much more likely to buy the right health insurance plan for you and your family. So if you're living and working in Mozambique and you want help with your health insurance, why don't you come and talk to us?